Hi everyone. In this video, I'd like to share some different phrases to talk about hobbies and interests. When we meet someone for the first time, we often have small talk. Small talk is friendly, informal conversation. As part of small talk, we often share details of our hobbies and our interests. I have 8 phrases for you today. The first one is, I really enjoy. For example, I really enjoy playing football. Phrase number 2, I'm fond of. For example, I'm fond of cooking, but I'm not fond of washing up the dishes after I cook. Phrase number 3, I'm into. This phrase means you really like doing something. For example, I'm into hiking, but I'm not into playing golf. Phrase number 4, I'm keen on. Keen on is a stronger word than fond of. For example, I'm keen on listening to music. I'm not so keen on swimming. I'm keen on learning to play the guitar. Phrase number 5, I'm a big fan of. For example, I'm a big fan of movies, especially action movies. I'm not a big fan of pineapple on pizza. Phrase number 6 is one of my passions. One of my passions is painting. You can also say painting is my passion. Phrase number 7, I'm mad about. This is a very informal phrase that you can use with family and friends. You could say, I'm mad about dancing. I love putting on a good song and dancing in my living room. The 8th and final phrase is, I'm crazy about. This is an informal phrase like, I'm mad about. For example, I'm crazy about tennis. I'd love to go to Wimbledon one day. Let's go through the 8 phrases once more. I really enjoy, I'm fond of, I'm into, I'm keen on, I'm a big fan of, one of my passions is, I'm mad about, and I'm crazy about. Try using these phrases next time you talk about your hobbies and your interests. Thanks for watching. See you next time.